So, hello guys, I got my microphone unboxing, so let's unbox it. We got another one, but this is for others, so it's not that important. So we're gonna get to this. It's pretty big, as you can see. So yeah, packaging wise, it's pretty solid. Just a square box. Undamaged, that's surprisingly solid. So, okay, that's a bit damaged. Seems pretty good. This one, other than the minor dents. You see, minor dents. Yeah, all around. But yeah, it's solid microphone. Seems fine. So, let's open it, shall we? Don't really have a top-down shot camera yet, so this will do. So yeah, let's unbox it, shall we? Should we open this box? Ta-da! The microphone. It seems really damaged here. So I think this one is a pretty old stock, seeing how the font on the box is a bit like yellow now. It's probably not going to show on camera, but it's should have been like a year or two old. The camera stock instruction of the Polaroid pattern, just general user manual, and then solid, feels solid. Can knock the screw here to make sure it's tight. Yeah. Right, you can just turn it. Headphone, the Polaroid pattern. Can open it, right? Yep, can. The base rubber pad to make sure it doesn't slip. You can unscrew it to mount it actually, but I think that's really, you need to get the screw head for this, so yeah. Microphone looks. This is the headphone. This is for the mic gain. I'm pretty sure it's the mic gain. This one is headphone gain. Type C. So there's one more accessories here. So let's take it out. Nothing else in the box. Alright. Just a type C to A. From what I see from others, there should be a C to C, but I guess that's enough, I guess. Alright. So that's it for the unboxing already. That's it for the unboxing for this microphone. Bye bye. So we're done with the recording, so I'm gonna switch to this microphone. Now. So we'll switch to it like right now. So okay, right now you're hearing the microphone sound. How does it sound? It should sound pretty solid since it's like pretty close to my mouth. But you can adjust the volume knob here, so it could be louder like this, and I'm like a lot further away now. It still can pick my sound up pretty clearly, so it's pretty good actually. But if I move it like even more behind, it will still be able to pick up. It's just not as good as like compared to here. But when you're putting it close, you better lower the volume so it doesn't sound as loud. Or you can edit, but it's gonna pick, so it's better you just use the microphone here to adjust the volume instead of like changing it. It's fine to change a bit, but it's usually better just do it in mic since it has the option to, so why not just use it. And yeah, this is just how it sounds. Very cool. For my use case, I'll be using it at the loudest volume since I don't like having microphone in my face or in my hindsight, so I usually keep it like an arm length away. So yeah, you can tell like it's a lot softer now, but it still managed to pick up my voice, which is really nice. You might be wondering why isn't there a stand? Well, because I'm actually gonna mount this right there, so that's why I'm not using a that's why I'm not using a stand here. So yeah, this is how it sounds. It will definitely sound a lot better if you put it up close with any microphones, but for my use case, I would like to use it a bit further away from my mouth. So this one works just fine. And make sure you speak into the microphone front of here, because if you speak to the side and behind, it's cardioid pattern, which you can see here. Here, so it's not gonna pick up your voice as well as like if you just speak right into it in front. So be mindful of that. So yeah, it's pretty solid. I can give you a test now of what it would sound like if you. Okay, so this is how it sounds in front. This is how it sounds side. This is how it sounds from the behind. This is how it sounds from the left side. And now it's back to the front again. So there is a difference. So make sure you check. Don't make sure it's always facing you. Okay, so I forgot to record another mode which this microphone has. I'm gonna label this video test mic test also. Is that they have the omnipotent, which basically captures sound from 360 degrees. So we're gonna have this guy dig head, bro. And anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna switch the mode to the omnipotent, which is 360. It's a lot worse, in my opinion. It sounds like trash right now. Okay, so it's using that now. I'm gonna adjust the volume to max so that it can pick up. And yeah, so it doesn't really care about where you're talking in from. It just accepts the sound from 360. But the only issue is it sounds really ass. It's not really good. Oh shit. So anyways, you can immediately tell the difference from this to this. The difference is huge. But I digress. Also, I'm gonna do the test where I'm gonna speak like into it. So what do you think? What do you think? How does this sound? I'm turning it 360 degrees. Yeah, alright. That's all. And thanks for watching the unboxing video. See you. 2 videos are coming out. Hopefully. And also have a mute button, so you could just very cool, I guess. The only downside with the mute button is that when you click, you can hear the click. Not elegant at all. Not elegant at all.